Hello again. We are back with another utility to help improve your traffic engineering workflow. Today's video is about exporting your Synchro analysis to a clean summary table that you can include in your traffic impact study or secondary plan or master plan or whatever it is you're working on. The table is organized by node IDs and the intersection names, and for each intersection it tells you the control type, the overall level of service and delay, and what the critical movements are based on your own defined threshold. If I was making this table manually, I would have to double click on every intersection, find its level of service, go into its timing settings, and look at the VC ratios over there. Or for stop control intersections, I would go to signing settings and find the VC ratios over there. And for very large networks with multiple horizons and several iterations, this would become a long and cumbersome process. So instead, I'm just going to click on File and click on Create Report. And for each intersection, I will select the lanes, volumes, and timings. And for my stop control intersections, like always stop controlled or two-way stop controlled, I would hold down the Control key and select their details as well. Then I will click on Save Text. And this is going to create a .txt file, which looks something like this. This is a huge text file that includes every possible detail that we don't really need to show, and no one's going to read it. So now I'm just going to go to Arterials and find the Synchro txt to table conversion tool. And on this page, I will click on Access the Synchro formatter. And I'm just going to drop that text file right in here. And you can see immediately it sorted everything out. We get a clean summary table with all of our level of services and our critical movements. And we also get an overall summary as well. It tells us how many intersections we have, how many are signalized, and how many intersections are failing. So this quickly allows me to identify what the problem areas in my network are, and I can just go back and fix them and then load another file and repeat this process again. Now I can also just copy this table and drop it into my Word file. And there you see we have a clean table, and you can format it or adjust it however you want depending on what you want to report. For example, I don't want to report the max VC or the ICUs, so I'm good with this. Now, you are also allowed to change your critical VC ratio threshold. Some people use 0.85, some people use 0.9. I'm just going to demonstrate with a 0.01. So I'm just going to find that same file again. And now you can see I still get my high-level summary of how many intersections I have and how many are failing, but now every single movement that registered a VC ratio is being reported over here. If you need more information, you can read the user manual. It'll just take you back to this page where it tells you everything and how to use this web app. If you have any questions, you can always send us an email at support@arterials.co or leave a comment on this video.